Hello traders, Lance Ippolito here, and I want to go over a trade setup in letter X and some stocks making up the ETF XME. So let's get to it. So today we have seen call buying in letter X from the weekly 33.5s to the Jan 5th expiration calls. What I do like about letter X is you can see volatility, this is implied volatility, is very low still. So therefore if you're a buyer of options, premium is cheap. So that's a good thing if you like to buy options. Letter X had a beautiful run here from about 25 to about 34. Had a few days of a pullback right here. These are very healthy pullbacks though. It pulled back, not aggressive selling, right? It just pulled back, a little bit of exhaustion. And then today we have this trend line breakout and it's about 2:20 p.m. And some decent volume here on this move, up 5% today. Also, if you look, if you really zoom out of letter X, like a 15-year chart, you can see it has been basing for quite some time, and it still has easy room to run up to 40 or so, and the stock's been about 33.5. What I also saw today was XME. It is the metals and mining ETF with a breakout. It had a January, or a short-dated call buyer, I should say. Looking at that 34 strike, let me actually look it up. Yeah, it had a December 29, 34 call buyer here, and the XME, the metals and mining ETF. Just a little bit on the metals. Normally in January and the beginning of the year, metal stocks seem to rally, just if you look at seasonality patterns. And I can go back, here's the December right in here, and you can see from mid-December all the way to the beginning of February, XME last year had a nice rally. And what makes up XME, if you really want to get into the fun facts, you can pull up Yahoo Finance. And you can look Steel Dynamics, STLD, letter X, so we have call buying in letter X, and in the ETF XME. And then Nucor, a lot of these names I've seen repeat call buying in. And if you look at a lot of these charts, they're very strong. Steel Dynamics up 2.5% today. A lot of the steel names with some China news have been pretty aggressive to the upside. So something to keep an eye on if you're looking for trades for 2018 or to wrap up the year. The steel stocks, XME, are looking pretty bullish combined with institutional order flow.